Hello everyone. In this Bootstrap series, the next topic we will discuss is modals. Let's go to the documentation part. Under the component sections, you can see this modal option here. Click on it. You will reach this section. You can explore more of this section, but today we will read about modals. Let me give you an example on what are modals. Okay, so look at this. We will see a demo. Click on this. You will see a dialog box here saying modal title. Woohoo! You are reading this title. You are reading this text in a modal. Close, save changes. So this kind of a plugin is known as modal. Modals क्या होते हैं? ये काइंड ऑफ प्लगइन्स हैं जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं यूज़र नोटिफिकेशन के लिए या कुछ एनिमेशन ऐड करना है अपने कंटेंट में. ये कैसे काम करता है? ये बनता है HTML, CSS और जावास्क्रिप्ट के कोड के कॉम्बिनेशन से, बट हम बूटस्ट्रैप में डायरेक्ट इसको कोड को कॉपी पेस्ट करके यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसमें पोजीशन फिक्स्ड रहती है. पोजीशन फिक्स्ड का इसमें एक CSS का जो रूल होता है वो यूज़ होता है, बिकॉज वी कैन स्क्रॉल द पेज बट द पोजीशन ऑफ दिस डायलॉग बॉक्स विल स्टे फिक्स्ड. So yes, you can read this section more. We will jump on to the working part. Like, let's see how it works. Okay, so this is my file index.html where I have included CSS and JavaScript CDNs in the first session, as I told you, to include Bootstrap in a page. We can use CDN, we can download the file and keep it in the same folder. So we have used CDNs. So now you can see the output of this index.html is shown here, okay, on a live server. So yes, let's start. First of all, what we will be doing is we will copy this code and then we will paste it into this file just to see how it works, what is the output that we get. Then I'm saving this, then we'll see here. Okay, click on this, a dialog box will appear. Either you can close it from here, I think it's like either you can close it from here, this button, or you can click anywhere in the background, it will get closed. Okay, so what we will be doing here is we will study what portion how it is done. First of all, in this code you see यहाँ पे there is button trigger modal. इसके अंदर जो ये कोड लिखा है ये ट्रिगर करता है बटन कोड जो हमारा बनता है ये मोडाल बटन. यहाँ पे लिखा है लॉन्च डेमो मोडाल. ये टेक्स्ट है जो हमने लिखा है. लेट्स से मैं इस टेक्स्ट की जगह पे सिर्फ मोडाल ही लिखना चाहती हूँ, तो आई कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस एंड सेव इट. Okay, so you can see the changes here. It is changed. Let me open it with live server so that I do not have to refresh it all the times. Okay, so I hope you have understood. From here you can change this text, and let me discuss this. Here it is written data bs toggle. So let me tell you that data toggle is a very important command over here. Data is a prefix and toggle here is an attribute. If you will not use this attribute here, the modal button will not work. See, sorry, let me save it first. Let me save this first. Okay, so see, now it is not working. What is the reason? This is the important attribute that you need to use. This will specify what kind of widget, you understand widget, what kind of widget I am using. Button, drop down, list, all these comes under widgets. So this will specify data toggle equals to modal will specify that I am using modal as a widget. Be data target equals to example model. So this example model is the ID of the div that I am using. So the content of the div will be specified here, of the division will be specified under this. Okay, so I am just giving the ID to the division here, that कि जब मैं इस पे क्लिक करूँ तो कौन सा, ये डिवीजन बॉक्स है ना, एक तरह का डिवीजन बॉक्स है, तो जब मैं इस पे क्लिक करूँ तो कौन सा मेरा डिवीजन बॉक्स ओपन हो, ये मेरा यहाँ से डिसाइड होगा एग्जाम्पल मॉडल से. दिस इज़ द आईडी. तो ये देखो, ये सेम आईडी हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ की है नेक्स्ट डिवीजन बॉक्स के लिए, जो हमारा ओपन हो रहा है इसे क्लिक होने के बाद में. ये तो सारे इसको क्लासेस के अंदर डिविजन्स बनाए हैं. H5 हेडिंग यूज़ किया गया है और मॉडल टाइटल लिखा गया है. जैसे आप देखो, आप क्लिक करो इस पर तो यहाँ पे लिख के आता है ना मॉडल टाइटल. तो लेट्स से मैं ये जो मॉडल टाइटल की जगह पे चाहती हूँ कि मैं लिखूँ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस. जो हमारे कभी हम डाउनलोड करते हैं कुछ चीज़ तो वहाँ पे लिख के आता है ना टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन एक बॉक्स में, तो वो भी तो एक मॉडल ही होता है. Let me save it and check. It is terms and conditions written here. So this is, these 3 dots is the text of the model body जो उसके अंदर आ रहा था, और footer में इन्होंने लिखा है close button and the save changes button. Okay, let's say I don't want save changes here, I want return here or go back. I can change from there. You can customize it. Simply I am saying you can customize it, you can use the same code, but for that you need to understand the code. Okay, now understand that what is this thing ARIA, this entire thing, what is it? These are used for assistive technologies. Assistive technologies are the technologies that work with the people with disabilities. So this is not going to cause any change to my code, but it is important for the assistive technology thing. Okay, let me show you. So see, there is no change in my code. It is your choice to include it or not include it, but it is like if you include it, it will work good on the assistive technologies. I hope this much is clear to you. Now next we will see this static backdrop. See, it will not close if you click outside of me. Don't try to press escape key. Okay, so see, as I said that this, let me show you, the earlier demo block was closed when I click anywhere outside the background. Let's say I'm click here, I clicked somewhere in the background and it get closed. What is static backdrop? Static backdrop is the modal which will not close when you click outside the background. अगर आप बाहर कहीं भी क्लिक करो, करते जाओ क्लिक, it will not close until you click on this close button or this cross button. Okay, next is scrolling long content. Let me show you this. This is the content of the model body. Let me remove these 3 dots and put here the lorem, or you can say dummy text, more and more dummy text, 3-4 times. Okay, this much is enough. Now I will see what happens. No, it is not enough to scroll. We need to add much more text. Okay, so add it. Now let us see if this is enough. I think yes. So see, it has the nature automatically, if the text is more, like it will scroll. there is an option, it will scroll. By default scrolling is there. But what if you need a scroll bar? You want the size should stay the same, but there should be a scroll bar. What will you do? See, simply it is written that you need to add modal dialog controllable class to the class where modal dialog is written. So my modal dialog is written in this division. With this modal dialog, I will add another class which is modal dialog control scrollable, so that the dialog box now is scrollable. Let us check. See, this is the scroll bar. Now if it goes beyond the page, there will be a scroll bar. All these terms and conditions you must have remembered whenever you download any application. This way terms and conditions are written with the scroll bar on the side, so you can use these modals, you can customize them, you can do anything with them. Now you know how to add them, okay, in your websites. So this is vertically centered. So if you want to do it vertically centered, you can use this. With modal dialog, you can add another class, modal dialog centered. Okay, we have already made it scrollable by adding scrollable class. Now we will add it centered here. Okay, so it will be vertically centered. Let us see it is vertically centered now. Okay, this way. This is how it is, just like that. Okay, next is tooltip and popovers are placed within the modals as needed. When modals are closed, any tooltips and popovers within are also dismissed. See it, when I click on this button, there is a popover title. Popover body content is set in this attribute. That means popovers are like when you click them, some text popover, okay, pops out of it. So these are tooltips, this link, that link, and see there is a hovering of tooltip block. Whenever you click on that link, the information will be visible. You can add any information here. So if you need such kind of things in your file, in your website, you can use this. I request you all to please go and check this modal thing entire. You can like optional sizes, full screen modal, you can explore this more. Okay, so changing animation and all, I've told you the basics. You can explore this part in the documentation more. I hope you will explore, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you soon.